Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the OnePlus Pad 3. And here it is, the newest tablet from OnePlus, a brand known for its powerful, stylish smartphones. And this guy here, this tablet in particular, turned out awesome. It has one of the best, if not the best, processors on the market, the Qualcomm Snapdragon Elite, and also a fantastic design. It's beautiful. You'll love this tablet. Just a quick detail for you all. For those who live in Europe, I'll leave the link to the official OnePlus store on the OnePlus website so you can buy it and receive it quickly. And before I do the unboxing and show you all the features of the product, guys, don't forget, leave that like so you don't forget later. Do it now. Also check if you're subscribed to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share it to help us out, alright? Now let's begin our unboxing and initial review with first impressions of the impressive OnePlus Pad 3. Let's go to the video, let's do this. Starting the unboxing, there's a white box showing the product at actual size and a label on the back with the model and version. We also have the box for the OnePlus Stylus 2 and the box for the case with keyboard and trackpad. Opening the tablet box, we see it immediately, and just below is the envelope with the quick start guide and warranty certificate. We also have a USB Type-C to Type-A charging and data cable. And as you already know, guys, the version that's sold here in Europe doesn't come with a charger, okay? But this guy here supports charging with a power of 80 watts. Now with it set up, we have a 13.2-inch low-temperature polycrystalline oxide in-plane switching liquid crystal display screen, a huge display with over 68 billion colors. It looks beautiful. It features a refresh rate of 144 Hz and Dolby Vision. It's easy to carry, weighs 675 grams, is 5.97 mm thick, and has an all-metal build. It's extremely thin and also very light for you to carry around. And its back looks nice, man. Simple, elegant, and modern at the same time. The right side has volume controls, a noise-canceling mic, and a magnet for pairing and charging the pen. The power button is on top. Reminder, it doesn't have a biometric reader, okay? Only facial unlock. Stereo sound output is included. The left side is smooth and the bottom has stereo sound output and USB Type-C connection for charging and data transfer. And it doesn't have a SIM card slot or data connection, unfortunately. Only dual band Wi-Fi connection and also Bluetooth 5.4. Speaking of its artificial intelligence, we have a translation app where besides translating simple texts, you can translate live conversations, type conversations, and translate by opening its camera so it can translate what you're seeing there. And you can also activate automatic translation so you can browse any website and see everything in your native language. We also have Gemini, which comes pre-installed, and some photo editing features, but they're pretty simple. Another cool feature is that you can split the screen between two apps at the same time. That's pretty nice. And opening the connections, we have the PC remote control, where you can connect your tablet directly to your PC to edit text files, use apps, and transfer files anytime from anywhere. You can also share content just by bringing your smartphone close to the near-field communication reader on the keyboard. This works for iPhone too. iOS users can bring it here and transfer files to the tablet. There's also the multi-screen option, which lets you share your screen directly to another display, such as your PC, showing all the content that's being displayed here on the tablet in real time on this other screen. Now, the home screen has a quick access icon for apps. And also, by swiping from the right side, we have a quick access screen for the tablet's tools. Its keyboard is also very complete. Really cool. There's a dedicated key to open Gemini. There's another one to open apps, as well as brightness control and volume control. The keyboard feels smooth and subtle. Very nice. The battery is 12,140 mAh and is a regular, not silicon carbon battery. But even so, the performance isn't bad. On the contrary, the performance is really good. It's awesome. It handled all my tests well. For example, in the Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm processor test, it scored 2,634,000 on Antutu, a fantastic result for a tablet. Incredible. Heating up to only 33.9 degrees and losing just 7% of battery, the result was really fantastic. Now let's run some footage playing Asphalt Legends and Genshin Impact with all the graphics set to maximum so you can get an idea of how smooth this device is. Check it out. Asphalt Legends runs really smoothly. Same with Genshin Impact. The screen transitions are subtle with no lag. It's perfect and running smoothly, guys. I dare say it's even smoother than Zando's bald head. The processor is awesome. Without a doubt, you won't have any problems with processing for a long time. No worries. Just a reminder, it has no water or drop protection or certification. So be careful with your jewel, don't let it fall or get wet. Stay sharp. As for the operating system, we have Oxygen OS 15 running with Android 15 on the device. We also have near-field communication connection on the keyboard and also directly on the tablet. You can make contactless payments with it. Its facial unlock is also very fast, and there are two versions, 12 with 256 and 16 with 512. That's what I have here now. Let's go to its audio and video test. Come on guys, here it is. And advanced quality, 2160p, volume at maximum, and brightness also at maximum. Let's open the screen here, and the clamp is already applied. Look at this screen, look at how well it's used, look at how beautiful this screen is, and its audio, how spectacular as well. A very good stereo audio, okay, very good. Very strong. This tablet's audio and image quality are top-notch, guys. Honestly, this screen could use a bit more brightness, but it looks really nice. And the audio is really strong, really powerful, with great sound quality too. I was really impressed. Now let's talk about the cameras. On the front is an 8-megapixel camera recording 1080p at 30 FPS. Let's look at some photos and videos from the front camera. Well guys, here we are. I'm using the OnePlus Pad 3 filming with the front camera at 1080p 30 FPS. I was giving you a little tour here inside the studio so you can get a sense of the quality zooming in. You can even see here that I have some dirt in my eye. There, I removed it, but that's it. Just so you can get an idea of the quality of the front camera image on the OnePlus Pad 3, alright? Great, that's it. Guys, I took some indoor photos here, including in the studio. This isn't the camera you're gonna take outside to shoot amazing photos and videos outdoors. It's just so you can get an idea, all right? But I like the quality, okay? It's a camera you can use for video calls, a video conference, no problem. It'll work really well for you. And now, here on the back, we have just one 13-megapixel camera recording in 4K at 30 FPS with stabilization. Now let's look at photos and videos from its rear camera. We're here now, guys. Rear camera, 4K at 30 FPS from the OnePlus Pad 3. Let me zoom in here. We're inside the studio, okay? Let's zoom in here. Let's see how far it can go. Up to 10 times, okay? At 4K 30. This is that shot from the Oppo Find X. All disassembled, okay? Look, Oppo Find X. All taken apart and framed as well. Let's go back a little here. Good quality, but it's a bit grainy, right? And here we are back at an X inside the studio. Rear camera of the OnePlus Pad 3. Wonderful. Honestly, for a tablet with just one camera, the results are good. Quality recording and decent photos. Nothing exceptional or extraordinary. The focus of this tablet is something else. Delivering design, very thin thickness, long battery life, and a monstrous processor. And now let's get to the final thoughts. Positive points, in my opinion, the processor, of course, obviously, its design is really beautiful, its thickness, which is very thin, and its weight as well. It's light for a tablet, and its screen, which is a large screen, is also above average for a tablet. It has turbocharging with 80 watts of power. As for negatives, I have just two observations. The first issue is no SIM card data connectivity. You're in a place where you don't have Wi-Fi, you don't have data coverage, you need a SIM card there, right? It would be essential, fundamental for you to have a SIM card slot so you can have access to data transfer here on your tablet. That's a downside. Another thing is that I think the screen could be a bit brighter. Maybe an active matrix organic light emitting diode screen would deliver a better result. I'm not sure if it would make the product more expensive, but the screen is still beautiful. It's nice and good, though it could be a bit better. But anyway, guys, comment down below what you think about this tablet. If you liked it or not, if you would get it or not, if it's worth it or not, if it's awesome or not. Comment here so I can hear your opinion, okay? Before you go, like the video if you haven't already. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on notifications, and share to support us. We're in this together. Thank you all. God bless. Big hug. See you next time. I'm out.